Next to you.
It doesn't matter.
In the hole.
So what are you guys doing, Zoe and Tessa Tate?
We're stacking the presents.
What you doing, buddy?
Buying presents for me.
Aren't you supposed to be making piles for other people too?
Going. Say where
Look at all those presents under the beautiful
I'm
tree.
gonna sit on the couch. Mine's right there.
No, I've never did it.
Yeah.
Do you give Grandma and Grandpa a good seat?
Yes. Grandpa sitting on the brown chair. Grandma's sitting between you and me.
Grandma and Grandpa are over there.
Not even a two.
Yeah, sitting on the blue chair.
Yeah.
Hi everybody. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
2011.
Merry Christmas to you. Let me see if I can. No, I haven't got my video.
Oh, okay.
I could though.
What game are you playing, Tessa?
Crazy Eights.
What rolls are those you're eating?
Mimi's specialty.
Your mom made Mimi's fancy rolls. That's cool. It's a Christmas treat.
Who's this big one? Who's this big thing to?
Does it have a name on it?
I can't see any name. Yeah,
Hi, Mom.
we have to ask him.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Who's this?
Mom's done an amazing job today.